What's up guys, Mark back again with another unboxing. Not really unboxing, but pack opening. 12 of the X and Y Ancient Origins booster packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm not too sure what we're aiming for, but hopefully we get something good. Man. Once again, the codes I will be splitting with you guys, so first one's on you guys. There you go. 1, 2, 3. And these cards seem kind of bent. That kind of sucks. Oh, special energy. Interesting. Noise. Get closer. Magikarp, Verse, Persian, and is that real? Oh, interesting. Huh. Galork? That's a weird name. So we got a reverse Persian. Nothing too special there. Hopefully, shoot, I really forget what I'm supposed to be aiming for in here. It might be the Hoopla. The Hoopa. This is mine. Oopsie. 1, 2, 3 to the front. The fuck is that? XOR. That looks really weird. Quagsire. Man, it is so close. That's cool looking oddish. I like that artwork. Oh, Lysander reverse. That's going into the live deck. And a Polygon Z. Lysander, eh? That's probably going to go into the collection. Any other Lysanders I get will probably go into whatever deck I try to make. 1, 2, 3. Faded Town. Man, it's like way close, bro. I need to get so much better at like revealing cards and shit. And reverse giant. Oh my god, I see a border of something. Oh my god, you guys see it. Force of the giant plants. And our fucking Giratina EX. Nice. Oh. Put that there for the reverse on the forest of the giant plants. Alright, that's mine. Oops. 1, 2, 3 to the front. 1, 2. Energy Recycler. Shuffle 5 basic energy cards from your discard pile into your deck. That's very good. Polygon, and what the fuck is that? Paint roller. Discard a stadium card in play, then draw a card. That seems pretty useful if you're trying to get rid of people's stadium cards, I guess. Giratina EX, not bad. Dun. 1, 2, 3. Special energy, nice. Need all that energy, man. Oh, that was unexpected. I didn't even mean to get there too like that fast. Vespaquin. Yo, these cards look fake, dog. Just saying. Or maybe that's just the artwork of how this one is. Right? This shit's real, right? Okay. Reverse Vaporeon. Nice. I like this booster packs. These booster packs. I like these booster packs. They have designs on their reverses. Very nice. On the evolutions, they're plain as fuck. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Yeah, these cards look bent, man. Ace Trainer, not bad, not bad. Quagsire. Oh. Look at that shit. We got the basic crap and we got the reverse on that. And voila. Yeah, see, these cards look so fake, dog. Maybe it's just with these Ancient Origin ones. I guess their artwork went into a different direction. What the hell, man? Shit's different, man. Which is good from like set to set. So you don't always get the same old looking ass thing. Special. Special energy again. Tyranitar Spirit Link. Oh, yo. Nice, nice, nice. I have no idea how you say his name, and I'm not gonna say it to butcher it. Yo, that reverse card feels thick as hell, though. Damn. That sounds so bad. Alright, mine. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, man, the edges look bent. Kind of disappointed. Yo, USPS, you guys gotta take care of these boxes, man. Precious cargo in there. Whooper. And we got Reverse Faded Town and an Entei. Lame, lame, lame. For you guys, hopefully this camera is not picking up that barking dog that is happening down the road. Oh, I love Lucky Hammer in the online game. Very useful if you're getting attacked very often. Makes you draw cards. Womp womp womp. Oh man, Reverse Energy and a Polygon Z. Hollow. I like their artwork. Very good. So maybe these are legit. I'm gonna put that there. 3 more packs to go. Hopefully we pull out another GX from here. I think that is mine. 1, 2, 3. Yo, I already saw Border Dog. Raditz, Gorlook, Dang, Cotton Thing, Ancient Crab. Oh, Gyarados. That is very different. Yo, these hollows are, or is this the reverse? This reverse looks way different. Or is it a hollow? Very interesting. And we got another one of this guy. So we got 2 of that. Wow. Interesting. Oh, maybe we had 2 more packs after that. Shit. My bad. 2 more packs for you guys. There you go. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Lucky Hammer again. Oops, these cards are getting... Get you guys some Grass Lady, some Rock Thing, some Lava Thing, another Rock Thing, a Water Thing, a Floating Rock Thing, Spider, and... Septile? Septile? I have no idea how you say that guy's name. Well, we got his Spirit Link. So hopefully that's good. Giratina. I really forget what I'm trying to pull from these the Ancient Origins. I think that's mine. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Hex Maniac, not bad. Blossom. I'm getting a lot of special energies from here. Baltoy. Baltoy? Damn. And special energy. And a Metagross. Dang, that was kind of... Wow. We barely got anything from this, from these 12 packs. Well, at least we got 3 AX cards out of that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this unbox opening. Fuck. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this pack opening. Yeah, I got 2 EX Spin Septile and 1 Giratina EX. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully the next couple pack openings are gonna go better. And I'll see you guys in the next one.